Hello students, I am Ravinder Yadav, your math expert at Dabad Academy. Today we will practice a series of questions on LCM and LCF along with previous year question. Let's start our today's session. In question number first, find the smallest number which is divisible by 12, 36 and 38. In this type of question we have to find LCM. So let's find the LCM of 12, 36 and 38. All three numbers is divisible by 2. That 2 6 ja 12, 2 18 ja 36 and 2 9 ja 2 19 ja 38. Then again 2 3 ja 6, 2 9 ja 18, 19 as same. Then again 3 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 and 19 as same. Then again 1 ka 1, 3 1 ja 3 and 19 as same. And then 19. Say 1 as 1 and 19 1 ja 19. Now we have to multiply all these prime factor, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 19. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, and when we multiply 36 into 19, 19 6 ja 100, there is carry 11, 19 3 ja 57 and 11 is 68. So the LCM of 12, 36 and 38 is 684. In question number second, we have to find two bell rings at an interval of 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. After how many minutes will they ring together? वो दोनों बैल एक साथ कब रिंग करेगी? तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन के अंदर भी हम क्या फाइंड आउट करते हैं? एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ 12 एंड 15. 3 4 जा 12 एंड 3 5 जा 15. अगेन 2 2 जा 4, 5 एज सेम, 2 1 जा 2, 5 एज सेम, and then 1 as same, 5 1 ja 5. Now we have to multiply all the prime factors, that 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12 and 12 5 ja 60. So after 60 minutes both bell ring together, or we can say after 1 hour. In question number 3, find the smallest number which when divided by 15, 20 and 25 leaves a remainder of 7 in each case. हमें वो सबसे छोटा नंबर बताना है जो 15 से भी डिविजिबल हो, 20 से भी डिविजिबल हो, 25 से भी डिविजिबल हो, और डिवाइड होने के बाद इन तीनों ही केस में उस पर जो रिमाइंडर बचे दैट इज 7. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड एलसीएम. सो एलसीएम ऑफ दीज थ्री नंबर्स इज 15, 20 and 25. So 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25. Then 3 1 ja 3, 4 and 5 are same. Now again 2 2 2 ja 4, 5, 2 1 ja 2, 5, and then again 5 1 ja 5. Now we have to multiply all the prime factors, that is 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 5 3 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 30 2 ja 60 and 65 ja 300. So 300 is the least number which is divisible by 15, 20 and 25, but we have to find the number which is divisible by 15, 20 and 25 and also leaves a remainder of 7. So we have to add remainder in LCM. So that the number is 300 plus 7 equals to 307. So this is our answer. In next question, the LCM of two number is 180 and the HCF is 6. If one number is 30, find the other number. And we already aware the formula of LCM into HCF is equals to first number into second number. So LCM is 180, HCF is 6 and one number is 30 and we don't have other number, let's suppose be x. So that is 180 into 6. Here 30 is multiply, on the other hand side it will be on divide, equals to x. So 1 0 cancel 1 0, 6 3 is 18 and 6 6 is 36. So the other number will be 36. So 36 is the right answer. In question number 5, a garden is 120 meter long and 80 meter wide. Find the length of the longest pole that can measure the length and breadth of the garden exactly. हमें वो सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट पोल चाहिए जो एग्जैक्टली मेजर कर दे लेंथ को और ब्रेड्थ को गार्डन की. तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में हम फाइंड करते हैं एलसीएम लॉन्गेस्ट, एचसीएफ लाइक हाईएस्ट की तरह. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड the LCM of 120 and 80. So when we divide 120 as 2, that is 60, then again 2 2 3 ja 6 0, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. Here is 80, 2 4 ja 8 0, 2 2 ja 4 0, 2 1 ja 2, 0, and 2 5 ja 10, and 5 1 ja 5. Here 2 is common in both, into 2 again common, and 2 again common, and 5 is common in both. That 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and 8 5 ja 40. So 40 is meter. 40 meter is the longest pole that can measure exactly length and breadth. The HCF of two number is 12 and their LCM is 144. If one number is 36, find the other number. As in previous question, we use the formula LCM into HCF equals to first number into second number. So LCM is 144, LCM is 12 equals to first number is 36, and let's suppose other number will be x. So 144 into 12 equals to x, and 36 is multiply on one hand side, it when we take it on other hand side it will be on divide. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, and 3 8 ja 24. So 48 is the other number. So the right answer is 48. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 7th. The smallest number which when divided by 12, 15 and 18 leaves remainder 5 in each case. So first we have to find the number which is divisible by all three numbers, that is 12, 15 and 18. So all three numbers is divisible by 3. 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, and 3 6 ja 18. Again 2 2 ja 4, 5 same, and 2 3 ja 6. Then again 2 1 ja 2, 5 as same, and 3 as same. Then now it's divisible by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 3 as same. Now 3 से करेंगे 1 1, and 3 1 ja 3. We have to multiply 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60, and 63 ja 180. So 180 is the least number which is divisible by 12, 15 and 18. But we have to find that number which leaves 5 as remainder. So we have to add 5 in the LCM. So the number is 185, and 185 is the right answer. The LCM of two number is 240 and their HCF is 8. If one number is 40, find the other one. So the formula we use in this question is LCM into HCF equals to first number into second. So LCM is 240 and HCF is 8, and first number is 40 and second number is, let's suppose x. So 240 into 8, and 40 is in multiply on one hand side, when you take it on other hand side it will be on divide. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40, 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20, and 5 8 ja 40. So the right answer is 48. 3 bells rings at the interval of 12, 15 and 18 minutes respectively. If they ring together at 9 AM, at what time will they ring together again? So मैंने बताया था जब भी हम together की बात करेंगे हम निकालेंगे LCM. It means we have to find the LCM of 12, 15 and 18. So the LCM is 2 6 ja 12, 15 as same, and 2 9 ja 18. 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, and 3 3 ja 9. Then again 2 से divide करेंगे, 2 1 ja 2, 5 and 3 are same. Then 5 से divide करेंगे, at the end we have to divide it by 3. So the LCM of 12, 15 and 18 is 12 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 3. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60, and 63 ja 180. So after 180 minutes all three bells ring together. In 180 minutes we have 3 hours. If they ring together at 9 AM, then after 3 hours it's 12 o'clock when it ring again. So the answer is 12 o'clock. Let's start previous year question. In question number first we have to find the factor of 231. So 231 is divisible by 3 as per divisibility rules. So 3 7 ja 21 and 3 7 ja 21. Now this number is divisible by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7 and 11 1 ja 11. So the prime factor of 231 is equals to 3 into 7 into 11. So these three are the prime factor of 231. We have to find the prime factor of 9,99,999 and this number is divisible by 3, so we have to divide it by 3. Then now again this number is divisible by 3. Now this number is divisible by 11. We can clearly see 11 1 ja 11, then 0, 11 1 ja 1, then again 11 1 ja 11. Now this number is divisible by 7, that is 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28, then again 7 4 ja 28 and 7 3 ja 21. Now this number is divisible by 13, 13 1 ja 13, 13 1 ja 13 and 13 1 ja 13, and now this number is divisible by 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21, and now this number is divisible by 30, 7 1 ja. So these are the prime factor of 9,99,999. Find the prime factor of 37,800, and this is question from All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2020. So let's start. 37800. This number is divisible by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 0 and 0. Then again 2 say 2 9 ja 18, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, then 0. Then again 2 say 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. Then again 5 say 5 9 ja 45, 5 4 ja 25, 5 ja 25. Then again 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45. Now 3 6 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9. Then again 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. 3 से करेंगे 7 3 ja 21 and 7 1 ja 7. We have to find the LCM of two number if HCF is 2 and the product of two number is 112, and this question is from All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2015. So we already aware the formula LCM into HCF equals to first number into second number. So LCM we have to find, so let's suppose it to be X and the HCF is 2. Now we can clearly see the LCM of two number is 630 and the HCF is 9. If one number is 90, find out the other number. So we already aware the formula LCM into HCF equals to first number into second number. So LCM is 630, HCF is 9 and the first number is 90, and let's suppose the second number be X. So 630 into 9, 90 is multiply on one hand side, when we take it on other hand side it will be on divide. So 1 0 cancel 1 0, 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9. So 63 is the other number. Now question number 16, find the smallest number which when divided by 12 and 20 leaves no remainder. यानी हमें वो नंबर चाहिए जिसको 12 से और 20 से डिवाइड करे तो हमारा जो रिमाइंडर है वो 0 बचे. So we have to find LCM in this type of question. So both number is divisible by 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2 and 0 का 0, 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, then 3 1 ja 3, 5 as same. Now 5 1 ja 5. So the LCM of 12 and 20 is 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12 and 12 5 ja 60. So 60, option number A is the right answer, and this is question from All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2017. Now question number 17, the HCF of two number is 12 and their difference is also 12. Which of the following can be the number? तो सबसे पहले हमें एक ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है जिनका डिफरेंस भी 12 हो और जिनका HCF भी 12 हो. तो हमने देखा इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है, 12 है, तो हम इनका HCF निकाल के देखते हैं. उस ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट में 84 एंड 96. देन 2 से करेंगे, 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4, 2 4 जा 8, and 2 8 जा 16. Then again 6 से 6 7 जा 42, 8 जा 48. So the HCF is 12. So first is the right answer. Now in question number 18 we have find the greatest number that will divide by 9, 12 and 15. हमें वो सबसे बड़ा नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो डिवाइड हो जाए 9 से, 12 से एंड 15 से. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू फाइंड LCM. डोंट कंफ्यूज विद वर्ड ग्रेटेस्ट. 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12 and 3 5 जा 15. Then again 3 1 जा 3, 4 and 5 are same. Then 2 2 2 जा 4 and 5 as same. Then again 2 2 1 जा 2, 5 as same and 5 1 जा 5. So we have the prime factor, that is 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 3 3 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, 18 2 जा 36 and 36 5 जा 180. So option D is the right answer. And this question is from All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2021. Find the greatest number that will divide 36, 56, 93 and leaving remainder 1 2 3. So in this type of question we have to first subtract remainder from the number, that is 37 minus 1, 56 minus 2 and 93 minus 3. So what we have? We have 36, 54 and 90. And now we have to find the HCF of these three numbers. So HCF of these three numbers is 2 1 ja 2, 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Second number is 54, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 3 3 ja 9, 3 9 ja 17, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. Again 90, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 3 5 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. So we have 3 3 3 3 3 3 as common factor in all three numbers. So the HCF is 3 into 3, that is 9. So 9 is the greatest number that will divide 37, 56 and 93 and also leaves remainder as 1 2 3 respectively. Now question number 20. Ram, Shyam and Mohan start to run together on a circular track. They complete a round of it in 75, 50 and 30 minutes respectively. After how many time will they meet together? Whenever we see the word together, we have to find LCM. We have to find LCM. So LCM of 75, 50 and 30 is, both number is divisible by 2. 75 as same, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. Then again 3 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, 25 as same and 3 5 ja 15. All three number is divisible by 5. 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5. Now 5 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 and 1 as same. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30 and 13 5 ja 150 minute. And we can clearly see in options, all options are in hour. So we have to change 115 hour. So we have to divide it by 60. So 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6, that is 5 2 and that is equals to 2.5 hours. So D is the right answer. Now the next question, question number 21. The LCM of two prime number is equal to their product. Question number 22. 4 traffic signals glows the interval of 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. After how many time will they glow together? So हमारे पास 4 लाइटें हैं ट्रैफिक सिग्नल की जो 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट और 20 मिनट में ग्लो कर रही है. सो वो सारी एक साथ कब निकलेगी? तो वेन एवर वी सी वर टुगेदर वी हैव टू फाइंड LCM. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3 and 2 as same and 2 1 ja 2. So 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. So 5 2 ja 10, 10 3 ja 30 and 30 2 ja 60. So after 16 minutes they will glow together. So D is the right option. In question number 23, 3 tanks contain 72 liter 90 liter and 144 liters of water. What is the largest measure that can measure all the different quantities exactly? So now we have to find the HCF. So 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 18 ja 36, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5, and the last one is 1 4 4. So 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 18 ja 36, 2 9 ja 18 and 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So 2 here common, 2 is common all three numbers, then 3 is common in all three, and then again 3 is common in all three number. So the answer is 2 3 is 6 and 6 3 is 18 liters. So again D is the right option for question number 23. Okay, this is all about our today's session, and I hope this lecture will help you to articulate your concept and increase the knowledge of LCM and HCF. So do subscribe our channel Dabad Academy and like this video. Thank you everyone.